chance for shower thunderstorms today. 66 over here, midway.
What do you think, dude? It's pretty fun, huh?
They're all up through. I don't know if somebody leaned against it or something. One of the, I think it was one of the carts actually parked next to it. That might have been.
This has been a difficult 2 weeks. To see such incidents of violence committed against our community, and even minority communities like these, it was very sad.
It's the best video ever. This might go viral. Might go viral. Oh, chill out. Chillax, buddy. You're fine.
Steve Nolan, Radio 780 at 105.9 FM,
WBB News Time 9:07. A 39-year-old mother and her 6-year-old son who died in a crash on Lakeshore Drive yesterday have been identified. Maria Obama was traveling north on Lakeshore Drive with her son Luca when she lost control of her car and crossed the median and struck a southbound vehicle. 2 people remain in critical condition this morning.